Hello, Zoo. Thank you so much for coming. We're going to create some UI here. Wait a minute, I'm still trying to figure out my live streaming because this is my first time. A bit harder than I thought. But I think it's gonna be fun. Okay, I'm going to check for the live. Am I live right now? Oh yeah, already live. Okay, let's start it. Let's create some UI. Okay, so here's my new UI. So this is my old UI. I'm going to create an UI for my app called Pocket Prompter. Basically, just teleprompter app. Hello, Vanessa Free. Wait, I'm going to put it in a stand. Where I put it in my stand? Okay, I'm just going to put it here so you can see the comment section. Hello, design stuff. I'm going to put it here. Okay. Oh, I found a good place. So here. And that's nice. Let's go. Let's going to create a new UI. So basically, this app is just like a teleprompter, but it's app for your mobile, for your phone. And I'm going to create a new UI. This is my old UI, and I'm going to create my new UI here. So that's basically what we are going to do right now. So the first one, basically we need a login page. Wait, I'm going to define all the page that we needed, and also some sort of information that we need on every page. But I think it's going to be more effective like that way. Oh yeah, I have this. I'm going to create it as a new. I'll call it icons. Right. Put a fill here because if you not put it something there, it's not going to look good, and you couldn't see the icons. I'm going to change the icon later on, but for now I'm going to use it that way. So next, okay, other than login page, we also need register page, of course. Register page, I'm going to put it in a blank, so making sure that we will create it later on. So we have a target today on making on every page that we needed. Okay, the next one, I think what? Welcome to tutorial. I have fun interacting with other. Okay, sorry, this is my first time going live, so I didn't see it. So I've got like, is it warning? No, it's just a welcoming thing. Okay, first one is the register page and login page, and also the register page. We will also need a home page later on. So home page, it's home page. We need home page. Then other than home page, we will also need something else. So the home page will contain all the script. I think I will call it script page for now. And also the last one, I think is setting. So after creating the UI, I will also create the app using framework called Flutter. So if you're interested on design and also code, you can click the follow button. But for now, we are going to focus on creating our login page. So the first one, I'm going to put a login page. Oh yeah, and I'm also like this page. It's dark, by the way, dark. It's in dark theme. I also have some sort of a gradient here. I like the button look like that, but I try to modify that a little bit. And also this one is come from, oh I'm sorry, I move it. So yeah, that's also, I have some design inspiration here, mostly is dark theme. I think for teleprompter it will be great if we have like if we have you know, if we have something like more in the theme of dark, because if we use light theme I think it's just too bright for our eyes. But I also will create the light theme, so making sure that people can toggle between the dark theme and also light theme in the future. But for now I'm going to create one dark theme, then I will try to release the app as soon as possible. So this one is the login page. Oh, and also we will need some onboarding page. So I'm going to copy this. So onboarding page, or I don't know, maybe a landing page. It's probably landing page or something like that. Yeah, I'll try to use landing page, login page. Okay, just try as little and as small as possible. So for the design inspiration I will put it here and here. Okay, make some room here, and also for the components I will put it here. This one also design inspiration, it's gonna look like, at first it's gonna look like a Notion, if you know, but I try to modify it a little bit with gradient and I think it feels nice and smooth. It's look good. Basically in using the Amazon font for both of this, oh yeah, for both the title and also the subtitle. And for the button I will also try to replicate this, but using only black and white I think it's not really good. But in the future I don't know, I'm still trying to figure out about my app. I don't even have icons right now. So the first one is the login page. For the size I'm not going to put it that small, we need to make it a little bit bigger. And for the font I'm going to use Archivo, I don't know. Yeah, probably Archivo, or another font that I like is Montserrat, because it's like looking clean, but also something like Poppins, it's more like cheerful or you know, subtle fonts than the Montserrat one. But now I'm going to use Montserrat or Archivo. So yeah, so this is still in the phase of trying to figure out the design. So I'm not going to create like you know, create variants, variables or something like that, because I'm going to focus on finding on how this app is gonna look like. So the first one is landing page, login page, I'm sorry. So login page, I'm sorry. So login page, it should be like a little bit looking like this. And also for, so welcome for the one that already joined. Hi. So we're making some UI for the app that I'm going to build. This one, it will be the input or the text form field, what is called in Flutter. So login page, login to your account, thing to your account using username and password. Okay, this one will be a frame. That's nice. So the frame is login text. Now we can add some padding, margin or something like that, some gap between the login page title and also the subtitle. For the subtitle, I guess I need to make this a little bit wide. Okay, that's nice, I like it. Username password. For the password, this one, the hint, we also need some icon. Okay, so I'm going to change the input here because we need also icon for this. I'm going to put the icon, okay, looking like this, and the icon should be white, looking nice. Also, we need to put some gap between the text and icon. I'll put 12. Yeah, I think it's good. And also, okay, for this, for the left side of the input, I'm going to put it like 12, I guess. Okay, nice. Now, for the password, it's a little bit different. So this one is the normal one. We're going to create another UI or another component for this. I'm going to fill it with white. Oh no, don't fill it with white. I couldn't see the background. I couldn't see the icon. Okay, oh, that's nice. We have the good color here. So the color basically is color from this app. It's called DCY Mobile Crypto Wallet. It's free on Figma. You can get it, but some of the UI is just image, just all image. So if you want to get the full version, you can buy it, but if you want to get a free version, you can get a sneak peek on it. I'm not promoting this, but I'm using it, so I want to give the creator some attribution or something like that, some appreciation. So it's really good UI. It's inspired my app. And also next, for the password, I think needs a little bit bigger, like 52, like a little bit higher, wider. Yeah, higher, of course, not wider. And the other thing we need to set up is for the email. So I need the icon for email. Here I'm going to add more icon, email, and also the icon of I. So first, get the I icon. Oh, and by the way, I'm using Icon Sacks. Yeah. You can find it. You can just search on Google Icon Sacks. It is basically free. It also have a paid version, I believe, but I don't use the paid version. I'm using the free version. It's really nice and clean icon, by the way. So if you want to design something, if you want to get a free icon and you are bored with the material icon, basically you can try Icon Sacks. So next one, we also need email. Wait. Email. Okay. So for the email address, I need email icon. Okay, that's looking like mail. Oh, sorry. I mean copy. So we need to copy this. Go to Pocket Prompter, Icon Sacks, put it here. Okay, now we have email. You can check it. This one, oh, it's missing one property. What is it? Is it I slash SMS? Why? We're missing one of the property here. Going to go to lock. It's lock. Where is it? Lock. Okay, this one is lock. Oh, but it don't have it. Okay, but it's looking more like lock password, I guess. Oh, lock security. That is what it called, lock security. Now it's appear there. Okay, so basically we're going to change here. I'm going to cut it right here. Wait, it's not working. Going to, okay, I think we need to change this. I don't know what is the problem, but let's make it fast. So detach the instant. I'm going to add this. Okay, change color into white. Okay, another thing. Now we need to create some component. Hello, they join. For Hux, I don't know. For Hux, okay. Hello for Hux. I'm still trying to figure out how to read messages from here. Wait. Okay, so I'm going to open. I will try to open the chat from my PC. Is that possible? Because it's hard for me just to look at there and look at my phone, and sometimes maybe I will miss something. Oh, it's not working. Okay, just quit it for now. It's not working. Okay. Now just trying to figure out that one. I think I should move. Wait, I'm going to move my screen here. So I'm going to move the screen so the webcam will be down here. I think it's a lot better right there, right? Yeah. That's a lot better. It's a lot nicer. Okay, let's get started. Okay, we have password here. So enter your password. Yeah, straight done that way. So the input will be here. I'm going to add another variant. I'll just call it variant 2. I don't know what is will be called. Wait. Okay, here I'm going to add it's my mistake though. Delete it, detach the instant. Okay, detach instant. Wait. Oh, yeah, got it. I'm not copy the icon, but basically just took the icon. That's make the error, right? That's why it's getting the error message. Yes, it's locked right now. Now, yeah, that's why. So for this, I'm going to put it some frame. For this one, I'm going to make it wide open, so it will be auto. Still, it's going to use the white color, but the icon will be changed into I. Yeah, that's basically it. It's this one, and this one will be email. Oh wait, I need to change. Oh, I need to change the icon. I'm going to copy from here, put it. Wait, cut it, put it here. Yep, that's basically it. Now I just remove this one. Can also remove these. Now let's change the icon. not into I, of course. It's going to be SMS. So I think this icon is called email, but it's actually SMS. But yeah, no problem. So this one, how is enter your password? I need some label also. So for the password, I'm going to move it from here because I'm going to copy it. Just too fast for me to make a component, I guess. Test the instant. I need label here, so I'm going to call it password. Nice. Now put this in some frame. Okay, I think the gap just 8. I think it's enough. Now let's move on and try this, how it's gonna look like. Okay, password, it will looking like this. It's kind of nice. I think for the color of this one, for the icon, so I'm going to change it into this icon. That's a lot better. So I'm going to change this and make it as a component, or just delete this one, no problem. We can work here, by the way, and pop the component. So it will have gap of 8. Now it's email, not email, of course. This one will be lock. Okay, because this one is the password. We enter password, enter your password, okay, the task says archivo regular. Can I use light? Oh, okay, this one will be medium. It's not 12, I guess 14 is better. It's medium, so a little bit bigger. Nice. Move this one, move it here, and let's try to make something here. Okay, I need layout grid. I'm going to create new one. I like to use column grid, the margin left and right like 12, or usually it's like 16. It's depend on you. The gutter, which is the gap between each of this layout grid, is 20, but I don't like it. I like to change it into like 16. So 16 here, 16 from the left and also the right, 16 for each of it. Okay, should I use 5? Maybe I use 4. So when I've created like vertically or horizontally, put 2 like item here horizontally, I can just drag it like that, so we have a guideline. That's the beauty of using layout grid. But for now, what we need is to use the layout grid for the left side and also the right side. That's the only thing that we need right now. Okay, and also we can use Shift G to toggle it on and off. Pretty good, right? Next, now we already have password. We also will need email, but before that, we're going to pop this into component. Okay, I will call it input. Nice. Then I will put it here. So the input will have the ability to show or to hide this icon. Where is it? Oh, appearance. Now check this. True and false. Show icons. Prefix, suffix icon again. Show suffix icon. It's property. Okay, create new. Okay, that's nice. We will copy this going down here. Okay, I'm going also change this one into title. Oh, I'm going to change it to label. This one will be the property for hint. So create new hint. Nice. Now every time we touch it, we have this. So I can hide. Wait. Okay, I made a mistake, I guess. Wait. Okay. I made a mistake for this. Oh, auto there. It's going to be out there. Okay. Wait a minute. I think it's correct. Okay. It's already there. Now let's change into email. Okay, put enter here. Enter your email address. Email address. Nice. Oh, it's too small, I guess, right? I don't know. I think it's just too small. Yeah, no problem. Now let's make the icon, change it into SMS. So basically like that. Email first, then using password. Nice. We also already have the create password. I'm going to change it to login. Now wait, it's login. Change this, add it into label. This one also will have the same label. Use the existing one. That's basically what we need, right? Okay, here, okay, it's free there, it's active, or variant 2, which is inactive. Inactive. Okay, toggle it. We have something here. Other thing that we need for the login, can check this here. Okay, something like this, the term condition, but now we're not put term and condition here. For this one, I'm going to change into active. Then because we don't have any other data here, I'm going to make the button a little bit bigger. Okay, so basically it will have the same gap. Oh, it's just 1 pixel away. Okay, that's nice. Okay, the other thing that we need is for this, I'm going to change it a little bit. Wait. Okay, term and condition, also unlink it. Now change this a little bit, so the text will be sounds like already have an account. Oh, not already, but don't have an account. An account. Register here. Nice. Now let's move it here. I'm going to use the button here. Make a frame. You can also put gap like egg. That's nice. Gap between this one will be only 16. Don't put too much gap. And for this component also I will put some gap like 24 or probably more like 2. That's it. Let's see what we've done so far. Can use this one, login page here. Oh, and also I would like to put some logo here, but I don't have a logo yet, so I'm going to create some box like that. Okay, some box here. For the color, I'm going to copy from the button. Just copy the properties, put it here, paste, using paste properties. Nice, looking good, right? Okay, I think I need more, like 48. And also the gap between these is 64. The gap between these, I think I need to lower it down. Okay, 32 is better. 56. Okay, I think that's enough for the login page. It's looking pretty nice. I like it. For the register page, I think it's almost the same. The only difference is it will have the button for the Google. Wait, I already have the Google icon here. Also here, I'm going to copy it for a new screen. It can be login through email and password, or probably username and password. Also, it will be able to log in using Google, but we're going to change the style. I don't like the style for this one. Using gray. Okay, copy the color, select all of the item and change it, or log in with Google. Okay, I just need the Google here. I only need, wait, okay, I only need the Google icon here. I'm going to add more here, more button. Oh, it's big. Oh, it's following. Okay, no problem. Let's add more here. As you can see, we have it here. Create password. I'm sorry. Create password. Then I'm going to change here to have an account. Have an icon. Sorry, it's not account. Icon. Okay, it's up. Now it's need a bit of gap. Like 12, it's better for me. It's good enough. Change to login with. Oh, sorry. Change everything at the same time. So, what else we can do? Should I use login like that? Because it has the same feature, right? I think it's nice enough. It's good enough. Yeah. Login with Google. We can change the label here. Login with Google. Nice. I don't really like this too bold, I guess. Medium is nice. Yeah, medium is nice. Login with Google. It has some gradient, by the way. It's linear gradient. It's not totally white. Now let's adjust the padding or the margin here, or the gap, by the way. Just cut. Wait, what happened? What happened? I think I just clicked the wrong thing. Yeah, no problem. Just create the login page here. I will took everything, got it, put it here, delete this, move it here. Now it's done. Okay, we need to adjust the gap. gap will be 24. It is also 24. Login with Google. Okay. So maybe I'm planning on creating another login. But for now, what I do care about is using Google and also email address or probably username. But for now, I'm just put email and also login with Google here. Hello, Tantan. Welcome to the live. We're making design UI for my app. So in the next live, I'm going to code the app. Thank you for joining. Okay, so I think we're already done with the login page. Now let's check. Let's check. Where is my layout grid? Oh, I forgot to create it as component. That's why it's missing. Okay, just create a new layout grid using 16 as a gutter, and also count will be only 4. Then the margin, which is also 16. Okay, now so to make it here, I'll add it as a layout grid style. So I'll column grid. That's it. So I can use it here right now. Add layout grid, column grid. That's it. Okay, you can use Shift plus G to hide it and also show it. Hello HF project. Welcome to my live stream. So we're already done with the login page. Basically, register page will have the same, I guess. The only difference only on this part. So I'm just going to copy all of the screen, all of the component here. Just copy it, put it here. Okay, change here into register page. Not page, login, right? It's weird to call it register page. Register. So before using the app, you need to register. Register your account. So now to register, we can use email and password, and also this one. This one will be called register. Called register. Now already have an account. This also change into already have an account. Already have an account. Log in here. Nice. Or you can also register with Google. So register with Google. Nice. So this is my first login page, register page. Wait a minute, I'm going to check for my chat. Okay, let's move. We also have a home page that we need to create. My old home page looking like this, but I think I need some changes. I like the text here, but I think it's too much, I guess. I don't know. We don't need icon or something like that. So that was home page. We also need script page. And for the card, maybe I'll using this. It's looking nice to have some gradient like that. So wait a minute, I'm going to check. Okay, I think that's nice. This sounds a little bit weird. No problem. What is this? Top viewers. Yeah, because I'm viewing myself. Oh my god. Of course I'm become top viewers, right? So this one's register, login page. We need to create a home page right now. For the home page, I need to look for some inspiration, I guess, for the home page, but I don't have it here in the vertical mode. Maybe just maybe. Wait a minute. I'm going to look for another UI that we have here. So basically, we have this UI. I'm going to look for the home page. What kind of home page that I need to create? So probably create it that way. Okay, so we're already done with login, register page. Not that hard though. It's already done. It's for the egg. Also for the egg. Isn't it too small? So I'm going to change the egg into 52. And also for all of the egg will be 52. Nice. Okay. Wow. So I'm trying to go live and my MacBook, oh no, my Mac Mini just getting hit up. Maybe it's just too much for my Mac. It's just so hit up, but no problem. Wait, this one is background music. I need to change my mix. Advanced properties. Okay, just close it. I will try to figure it out in the next one. Now we have home page. Okay, we have home page. I'm going to create a home page. Maybe first I'm going to create a card like this. Card will looking like this. The color will following this one. Okay, just copy properties, then paste here. Oh, that look nice. I like it. I like it. Looking nice. How about this? The M Sans. It's also a good font though. I think case is not that good, so I'm going to use the M Sans. I need to shift the color a little bit. It also too like. I'm going to use regular and change the color a little bit. This will have the same gradient like this one, so I'm going to put this linear gradient into the icon style. So I'm going to call it white gradient. Here's I'm going to use the white gradient. Looking nice. I'm going to change the icon. I will also detach this from the instant. For this, it's not pop-ins. I'm going to use the M Sans. Okay. How about this? Try to change this from this into the M Sans. Let's see which one is better. M Sans. I think the M Sans is not going to be good for the big text or display. We're going to use Archivo, or probably we need Montserrat. Pop-ins. How about pop-ins? I think Archivo still good, but for the subtitle I'm going to change this into the M Sans. Nice. Okay, it is looking nice. Wait, we're going to change the email into using the M Sans. This one also the M Sans. Then what I need to do is push this to component. It's needs suffix icon. Also we'll change this one into lock. Enter your email address. Enter your email address. Yes, but this one is not email. This will be password. Hello Baru, welcome to the stream. So enter your password. Okay, email password. So I think we will only need to copy this and paste it here, moving into displays. Change a little bit. Check for the frame. Also the input will have another frame, right? Okay, Shift A. The frame will be only have like 16 for the gap. Okay, that's nice for the register. And for the login, we only need to change a little bit for the M Sans. Okay, which one better? Okay, check for the DM Sans. Archivo still win for this one, so I think we need to create some regulation which one is using the M Sans and which one is using Archivo. Okay, no problem. Just put it here first. Oh, I will need icon for star. And by the way, I'm using here is Icon Sax. If you're wondering, it's free to use. It's actually good. Icon collection. Okay, Okay, we found star here. For star, I'm going to use the linear. Oh yeah, basically you have some style here. Linear, bold. Wait, it's too small. Okay, bold, like this one. Bold icon. You will also have outline. Okay. Oh, here is the outline. You have two-tone, like this. So basically it has two-tone of color. You have bulk. I don't know what is bulk. Oh, thank you Filmenku send TikTok. What is that? I'm sorry, I'm just new to live stream. I don't know. Yeah, just thank you if you send something. I don't know, I just seen something like that. I just seen some notification. So this one is actual bulk. I don't really like this one because it's too rounded for me, for the icon. You also have broken. So broken is like incomplete, I guess. Like this one, as you can see, it has some broken part for each of the icon. It looking nice. It's outline icon. You can use it if it's matched the style of your UI. Okay, but for me, I like to use outline. It's just clean, looking clean, and also good. I like it though. Okay, move on. I'm going to take the star. I'm going to change the star icon there. Put it in here. So I have star here. And what I like to do is to take from the assets, create it in the file. Okay, moving here, so it's not done yet. I have to sitemap UI. Where's my assets? Where's my icons? New screen. Oh, from the new screen. Okay. Got it. So icons will be put here. Delete this one. Change the lock into star. Change the color white, or can I use gradient? Oh, it's also looking nice. I like it. So for this one, change the color to DM Suns. And also this one, change to DM Suns. Oh, it's looking good. I like it. So far I like the design. I'm not expert for the design, but I like the design right now. Okay, I'm going to add a layout grid using column grid, just making sure it has the same 16 gap for the left and the right. Okay, I just turn it off. Okay, I like this. Okay, is it 24? Yeah, it's already 24. Problem. Okay, I think for this we already have. Okay, the corner radius will be 8. The damn suns, that's great. Then I'm going to use the Suns only. So I'm going to put 16 here. But before that, we're going to pop the component. So basically, you can use pop component. Hello, Born Hustle. Welcome to my live stream. Here I'm creating UI for my app. I'm not an expert for the UI UX or creating something like this, creating the UI, but I try my best to create the design. Shift A. Okay, this one. Okay, we done with the header first. So I think I'm just going to put a screen like this. We will also need navigation if it's needed, and also we will create the floating action button. For a floating action button, it's actually not that hard. Welcome, my brother. Welcome. welcome. So here I'm creating UI for the app, and welcome to the screen. Hey, welcome to the stream. Thank you, thank you, thank you. So the next one that we need to create, I think we need to create for the header here. We also need search bar, and then we can move on to navigation. But for now, maybe I'll create something like this. Okay, so it's basically easy. We just need to create for the add icon. Add or plus, I guess it's plus. Plus icon. Is it plus? 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 No. Maybe we add. Thank you, thank you. Thank you, Jayadi the Ace. Welcome to the live stream. So basically we only creating UI UX right now for the app. In the next stream, I guess we will create the app. So just wait for the next stream. Ah, where is it? I couldn't find it. Where is it? Where is my icon? Ah, here's plus, minus. We can also add this one. Close and check. Okay, all of them. Input icons. I'll make it a little bit bigger. Okay, a bit bigger. Copy, then paste here. Wow, I'm going to tidy this one, put in the same line, and also change the gap for it's too small. Then that's great. Okay, now let's tidy this up. Okay, wait. Yeah, you can just mess up. Okay. Change it here, I guess. Okay. Distribute. Wait, there must be something here. Oh, where's my charger? Wait a minute. Welcome. Who's that? Born Hustle? Wait a minute. Okay, let's continue. Let's continue. Okay, we already have the icon that we needed. Add square, minus square. It's not looking that great. I will distribute it properly. Wait. Okay, that's the icon. Yeah, never mind. I will take them later. Okay, the first one. I need the icon, the plus icon here. So I'm going to put it here. Change the star into add. Oh, it's using two-tone color. Wait. Nice. So here's the icon. I'm going to put it in the frame. So frame like that. I will call it FAB. Stands for floating action button. It is basically the name that you use. Okay, wait a minute. Welcome, Rio Harsha. Wait. Where should I put it here? Okay. I think it's nice. Hello and welcome to my live stream. Okay, so the problem, I will call it FAB, floating action button. And now I will fill it with, I guess, white. So I want to create this as a primary, but it's kind of like weird. So the style of the home page and the will look different, in my opinion. Okay, wait a minute. I'm going to copy this, copy properties, try to put it here. Okay, just paste here, paste properties. Okay, that's how it's gonna look like. I think the stream isn't that. Oh, it's hard to go live. Oh, I think my live is going down, right? Yes, it's going down. Start streaming, I guess, right now. Jake. Yeah. Now it's going live again. Yeah, I think my internet is not that good for live stream, but no problem. Okay, let's continue creating floating action button. For this, I'm going to put in 12. So this one is 12. For the radius, border radius, I'm going to put 8. Is this one? I'm going